Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to code Java big numbers from HackerRank. And the first you should just understand the problem statement, what it is being told you to solve. In this problem, you have to add and multiply huge numbers. These numbers are so big that you can't contain them in ordinary data types like long integers. Now you have to use the power of big integer class and solve this problem. The input format is very simple, like there will be two lines containing number A and B. The constant are non-negative number that can have at least 200 number of digits. So let me teach you in this way. See, the number A and number B, they can have at least 200 digits. It means that it can have this much of number till 200 number. Can you imagine? The big integer has so much of power that it can do operation on this big integer numbers. Like it can contain till 200 and so many. So the sample input is press if you if you give input 11 and in which means A equals to 11 and B equals to suppose 20. So the output should give in first line A plus B it should give, and in second line A multiplied by B it should give. Quite simple, right? But there's some game that you should understand here, because the number it is asking is big integer class. So when we are just adding and subtracting in the simple program, what we do, scanner class scan equals to new scanner, and since it is saying read input from stdin, so standard input we are declaring like this, and we can, since there are two numbers A and B, so big integer A equals to scan dot big integer, right? So next one is also number B equals to scan dot, that is also next big integer. Okay, so in basic thing what we do, we declare another variable big integer C suppose, and what we do, A plus B, like that we do. And the next thing, D equals to A multiplied by B, we just do this. But if we just give this output value, let's see what happens. Print C. Okay, so run the code. What does it give? It gives the compilation error, bad operand types for binary operator, because to add and to do certain operation of mathematics on big integers, you should not do like this. Like you should not add and multiply like this. It's big integer, guys. It's big integer. So you should think like that in another way. So since we need to add and multiply, what you have to do is big integer add equals to A dot add B. Likewise, big integer, since we are doing multiplication after that, what we are doing, the A should multiply B. So here it goes, and we also need to print out, of course, system.out.println show the added number. And likewise, let me do multiply. So you can run the code. If you want, if you don't have the confidence, you can just do test against the custom input. Suppose let's give the sample output given by the example here and clean. So run the code. See, it is successful. So the concept of big integer is you can't use the operation like plus multiplication to do something. You should use some method to add or multiply, because this plus minus is a kind of thing that ordinary data type can handle, but for big integer you just need to use method. This is the programming concept of big integer in Java. For now, I would like to stop my video here. Thank you.